Immunization. Government is sending me to give people injection.
It is my right to make sure that you are fine. Oh, you turn your bottom before you sell yourself finish here. It's called immunize, not immunization. As long as you there, immunize, immunization. Now the same thing. Government don't give me opportunity. Say make I use this thing to help people life. Make it for better for them. Anybody will say you no go collect injection, I go kill him. You the case? You the mad? What is the worry you for head? You won't follow this guy insult me. What if I give you? If I give you uppercut, you go look for your life. You no go see.
You must collect injection. You must collect. This is immunization. Government is sending me.
Your papa na village he goat. Your mama village she goat. Your papa go kill Zube. Make him for taking wife. Yeah? You think say we don't know? Woo!
Now we have known the meaning of this Potulave. Nous verrons. Parlez-vous, Narawa.
Poverty and joker. See, if you marry a rich man, he will constantly fill your pocket with ego.
This is not the first time, this is not the second time. I should give her another chance. Obviously to come and repeat herself again.
Ozonna here will not marry you because you are his sister.
No be same mama bonus, no be same papa bonus. You no be same from the same clan. Which one be brother? You no be my brother. When we enter inside this room, you don't know whether you're my brother.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? They are looking at you because you don't have ears. Ozonna does not see you as a woman.
I must marry Ozonna. After all this suffer, what suffer for him? Make another person go they chop all the suffer, what suffer? I don't go agree. All the things I don't do for Ozonna for my life, make it just leave me like that.
This is poverty at its highest state. Ago. Can you imagine?
I am done with your son. You can go ahead and marry your son. After all, that is what witches like you do.
It is your mother that is a witch. It's your grandmother, your great-grandmother that won't. It is your mother that is a witch.
If you open down your buccal cavity and vomit or regurgitate anything from it again, you will see what I'll do. I will curse you.
I will make sure that he's been banished from this land. Even if it requires spending my last money. Mwa komelifa, mwa bumado.
Lucia, look your front. Now tree be this. Mommy human being. Nanina, Mama, I dey here. Allow me to marry your pikin. I go love her. What you want to go do for her?